Greetings, guys. If you need any business in Thailand or you want to make an inquiry, just contact me. I will help you. We can send to you through cargo. Any kind of business apart from scam, don't contact me for that. But any kind of goods you want to buy, you can contact me. Message me on WhatsApp with this number. I will help you. I do things with trust, 100%. And again, before making any payment to me, please make sure you called me on video calls before sending any money to me. Don't allow anybody to scam you. Say that it's Mesh Heister. No. If you want to make any payment, call video call like 5 minutes to make sure that it is the person you are talking to, you are speaking with. Thank you.